I devote 1 week to the content, second week to practice, third week to getting, you know, all this feedback, and fourth week, as in rehearse with people around me. And I mean, it was serious with me. The thing is, it does something to you when you don't win. Oh my God. It made me feel so down and out. I did everything. Why did I not win? You know? And so I learned to take my breaks, you know, yeah, whatever it is, whatever happens. But as long as I learn along the way, as long as I can say, I'm better now than the last time that I performed, I am really great. Okay, great.